Hi, now we are going to see mastercam delete command and the display command related things we are going to see. Suppose delete. So something there in the screen, okay. Suppose you can go and select the delete and just accept it. So it will delete. If you say undelete, then it is undelete. So this delete command is available in the right click also, and also it is there in the menu bar. This is the delete and undelete. Even you can delete, even you can select and delete directly by pressing in the keyboard also you can do it. Control Z if you see, undo it will. So directly from the keyboard you can select it and delete, and if you say Control Z, then it will be undo. Okay, this is the two method of deleting. The next is a delete duplicate. So what is duplicate? It means that one entity similar to same entity will be there, more than one entity. Okay. Suppose example, I just lock it and I will making circle, and again I am making third circle, fourth circle. Like that I goes on adding the circle here. So I'm making the purposely many circles here. Uh, so like this duplicate entity you may come across when you bringing the AutoCAD file directly into the Mastercam. So that situation you may come across this kind, but there is in Mastercam any duplicate command, duplicate entity Mastercam does not accept. Okay, so Mastercam needs a clean geometry. So if you want clean geometry, then you need to be delete the duplicate. Okay. So if you want to know what are number of circles are there, just you can click on the sigma, and you can see that there are 7 arcs are there. So you can delete by duplicate by delete duplicate. Okay. So now you can see that it is okay. So by doing this, you are deleting the duplicate entity. Okay. In the so in the old Mastercam, there was associative, non-associative. These things are there. Now it is no okay. Okay. Suppose in the old Mastercam, if you make solid here, and if you delete this wireframe, it will give you the error that it is associativity. But in 2021, this associativity is removed now. Now you can directly delete the wireframe from the solid. There is no big difference. You can directly delete the wireframe. Okay. Uh, so in delete there are little advanced option also. So you can delete by color, you can delete by point style, you can delete by line thickness. These are the advanced option. So this advanced option also you can utilize for deleting. Okay, okay. This is the delete duplicate. Okay. Uh, I am always what I do is when I bring the AutoCAD file, first open the file. Once you open the file, first job you have to do is delete duplicate. So by doing this, you are cleaning the entire geometry. Okay. One more thing also you need to know. So uh, there is a difference between the duplicate and the overlap. Uh, Okay, so the duplicate means a similar entity, but overlap means not similar entity, but it is maybe it is partially a similar entity like that. Okay, suppose I just want to do some error has come. Okay, I'll check my GView. So GView top. So now I'll draw one line here. Okay, then so again I will draw one more line. So if I draw the same equal length of line, then it's a duplicate line. Okay, but if I'll draw one more line over that line, but it is the 50% of a distance I drawn, and this is not duplicate. This is the overlap entity. Suppose if I say delete duplicate, if I do means it removes only one line, but actually if you see it has got two lines. Okay, so one is a big line, another is a smaller line. So if you check the statistic sigma, you will see the two lines. Now the question is how you are going to remove this duplicate entity. Okay, how you will remove this overlap entity. Uh, um, so there is a option available. You can directly delete by run user application. In that there is a command find overlap option is available. So you can select the find overlap. You just press F. It directly take you to the find overlap. You select it. OK. Then it's asking you to select the entity. I selected the entire entity, and you can see you can clean it now. You can see now that it shows that yellow color. So you can say clean up. So it removes the overlap entity. Okay. So this is to clean the geometry along with the delete duplicate. Along with the delete duplicate, you can use the clean find overlap, so that cleans the entire geometry clean. Okay. For CAM software, geometry should be clean. Okay. But suppose if you bring the data from the AutoCAD, but there is no need for a clean geometry. There they are looking only for the dimensions. But here it's not so. Okay, so you need a clean geometry for the CAM software. Okay, so where is this find overlap? It is there in the user run application. In that you can click it on the run overlap, find overlap. So you can see that. So now I already removed the overlap. Now nothing is there. It's showing that there is no overlap entity. Okay. So now we have seen the fully the now we will see the display command. Okay, so I'll open some file. Okay, otherwise we'll make it our own file, one simple file. Okay, in this we'll try to explain you two things. So we'll see the blank and unblank. Now I selected. So whatever I selected, it will be seen in the screen. Remaining will go away. Okay, enter. See blank and unblank. This is the sorry. You can remove the. It is nothing but hide and hide. No? This you can access by Alter E also. So if you say Alter E and again Alter E, you press it, it will come back. Okay. So that is, suppose I selected the point Alter E. So you can see. So this is the hide and hide, means temporarily you are removing the display from the screen. Okay, this is called the hiding and the unhiding. So this is a very highly used command. So when you are doing programming and many places. So even if you want the whole assembly is there in one in that one component you want machining, you can select that component. Just remaining thing you can hide. The next command, next this next is the mark center point. You can see. So mark center point. Just clicking it, you will find the center point. So you can say just it again you click on that. So whenever you draw any circle, it will show the center point. So that is the show center point. Sometimes it may disturb. You can see it is keeping or not keeping is up to you. Okay. So by clicking again, all the things will go away. Next is the end point. Okay. Okay. So now you can switch on the endpoints. It will always show the endpoints. Okay. So sometimes it may disturb you by keeping or not keeping. It is left to you. This displays. You can switch on or switch off. So at any time. Okay. So there is a next command is blank and unblank. Okay. Uh, so there is a small difference between the hide and unhide and blank and unblank. Okay. Okay. So now we'll see the blank and unblank. Okay. Uh, so people mostly use hide and unhide only. Blank, very less people may use it. Okay, blank. Okay, I selected this two entity and blank. Okay, whatever I selected, it will go away. Remaining will show in the screen. But in hide, whatever select that will remain in the screen. Remaining will go away. But here in the blank and unblank, whatever you selected, it will go away. Remaining will be there in the screen. So now you can say unblank. By you can blank and unblank. You can do it. So this is the difference between the blank and the unblank. So in unblank, whatever you select, that will go away from the screen. Okay. Blank. Okay, that will go away. Remaining will seen in the screen. How you bring it back? So you can unblank it. So you can unblank and it will you select it. So you need to unblank means you need to select it. Then only it will unblank. Okay. This is the blank and the unblank. So we have seen a delete command and we have seen the display option. Okay. We will see the remaining things in the next class. Okay. Thank you.